Feeling quite pleased with myself at the minute. I've managed to hack a aerial dash button from Amazon. You know what you're supposed to use to reorder your stuff at vastly inflated prices. Anyway, I've managed to hack it using Tasker and IFT and some other bits and pieces, and I've made a doorbell. So what it does, when you press the button, Tasker intercepts the button and plays the music, plays a WAV file through Bluetooth to the Amazon Echo, which plays it, and it also sends a text to my phone, so that if I'm in the back garden with my phone, I still know that the doorbell's rung.